Okay, let's get started with day 5. Rapidly approaching Christmas break. This is TEAC 6.3D, add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers fluently. This fluently is the most important part. This is taking us into a situation where we are doing it very, very well. Okay, so multiple things that we're going to be doing today. First thing that we're going to be doing is this handout that's entitled Word Problem Notes. Okay, let's make sure that you're paying attention and let's get after this. Jonathan borrowed $25 from his sister. After receiving his allowance, he pays her $7. How much does Jonathan still owe his sister? Well, he borrows $25. He pays her -$7. How much does he still owe? $16 he still owes. Okay, at the example 2, at the beginning of the day, the temperature is -11 degrees Fahrenheit. And it climbs to a high of 13. What is the difference in temperature throughout the day? Okay, this is an interesting little thing that's probably best shown on the timeline. If it's a -11, and let's put this at -5, 0, 5, 10, and we'll put 13 out here. Okay, it is going to be the 13 plus this over here. So, the 11 degrees it has to go up to get to 0, and the 13 degrees it has to get up here. So it actually climbed 24 degrees. Sorry, didn't have that lined up correctly. Taylor has $27 in his checking account. All right, 27 is the balance. Begin balance. He then writes a check for $35. What is the balance in Taylor's account? Uh-oh. We subtract the difference, right? So 5 minus 7 is 8. So $8. And because it's a negative, they're overdrawn. A scuba diver dove 40 feet, so that's -40 feet below the surface of the water. He then did an additional dive of 17, so that's -57 feet. How about the quarterback dropping back 5 yards? -5 yards. Mr. Brown, you're out there. You're our quarterback, aren't you? Then he passed the ball 14 yards. How far past the line of scrimmage did the ball travel? Okay. We can do this by a number line. Here's the line of scrimmage at 0. He dropped back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's here. But then he throws it 14 yards. That means he's out here at 9. Okay, so it's -5 plus 14 equals 9. During the first half of the football game, a running back ran for a total of 9 yards. Not very productive. And then the second half, he lost 12. What was his total yardage? -3. Okay, let's move on.